Hey everyone, I'm Majed Aziz, and I'm here to teach you how to play the tabla. Today, we're going to learn our very first Oriental rhythm. It's called Maqsum. Maqsum is one of the easiest and most popular rhythms. But here's the key. You need to get used to how it sounds before trying to play it. Why? Because if your ears recognize it, your hands will play it better. So let's get started and listen to the Maqsum rhythm together.
Doom tek tek doom tek doom tek tek doom tek doom tek tek doom tek doom tek tek doom tek.
Now let's move on to the explanation. As shown in the image, the Maqsum rhythm is written as Doom, Tek, Tek, Doom, Tek. That means we start the rhythm with a single doom, like this.
Doom
Then we play the tek sound twice, like this.
tek tek
And when we put those two parts together, we get the full groove that sounds like this.
doom tek tek
That was the first part of the Maqsum rhythm. Now let's move on to the second part. It's simple. Just one doom followed by one tek, like this.
doom tek
And now, when we bring both parts together, we get the full rhythm, both in shape and sound. Here it is.
doom tek tek doom tek doom tek tek doom tek doom tek tek doom tek.
And that's it. We've just learned our first Oriental rhythm on the tabla, the Maqsum. If you need to practice more, replay the video. Repetition is the key to mastery. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. I'm Majed Aziz. See you in the next rhythm. Take care.